Well, I got some good news and some bad news for you. Which one do you want? Cue the fire. If you guys are into missiles, well, good news for you today. Because Russia just sent missiles towards America. And let me just fact check myself. Yep, it's a fact. Putin deploys frigate to Atlantic Ocean armed with hypersonic Zircon cruise missiles. I think I may have mispronounced zircon. Zircon cruise missiles. I think that's a mineral, if I am not mistaken. Yeah, cute little guy. Look at that. All that's a lot of destruction for... Looks like a happy little mineral. And I don't know if that's his arm or his smile. I think that's his smile. But looking at this, it's not a smile. Nope. Here. Fact check. You want to see it? You want to see it coming towards us? Here. Go. Launch. I can turn up the volume if you want. It's kind of anticlimactic. There. Here it goes. And can I just ask a question? Can we build a dome? Right? I know Israel had it. You can't get anything in there. Come on, man. Let's spend some money on some protection. And I should probably email Biden. Dear Mr. President Biden, can you please protect us? Which I don't think he did too well over there in Afghanistan, but sir, we'll just scratch that. Let's not even talk about that. And also, he's not happy times between him and Russia. What are we, right? Gosh, just breaking the hornet's nest. Russian President Putin announced Wednesday the deployment of frigate armed with hypersonic Zircon. I probably pronounced it wrong again. Cruise missiles, a type of weaponry, he says, has no analogs to the Atlantic Ocean. And it looks like it goes 625 miles. So hopefully here in Austin, Texas, I have enough distance. Although I would recommend not to come to Austin in November or January because we have a thing called cedar fever. That's what they're telling me that I have. So no, I do not have the vid. I have the fever. And I know a lot of you are like, come back to Cali, bro. You won't have the fever. It's great. Yeah, I go over there. I can't breathe. It's just... like my nose, that closes too. I can't go anywhere. Man, I don't want to take shots. My wife does the shots. But whatever, I guess it beats venereal disease. All right, so Ukraine, here we are. Look at look at these guys. All the Russians and Ukrainians say Russia plans new mobilization. Sorry, Reuters toolbar goes right over where I want to read. Look, oh, there we go. Okay. New mobilization to turn tide of war. So Russia's getting a little upset. And how upset, you ask? Russia will throw everything they have left into war. So here we go. Coming in live from actually the head of military intelligence over there in Ukraine. Ukrainian head of military intelligence in an interview with ABC said that there will... I ditched his name. I'm not even going to try it. I was going to say we'll just call him... we'll call him Bud. Where'd he go? Where'd Bud go? Oh, here. All right, so she's interviewing Bud.
What's your reaction to it, even if you don't claim responsibility?
I'm very glad to see this.
Yeah.
That's my reaction.
That's your reaction. You're happy to see it happen.
Yeah.
Do you think there'll be more?
I think so.
Inside Russia? Deep inside Russia?
Deeper and deeper.
And in Crimea?
Crimea, it's a part of Ukraine. It's our territory. We can use any weapon on our territory.
Did Ukraine strike reaction to it, even if...
All right, so they're going in. Not just going in, Bud is going deeper and deeper into Russian territory. You go get him, Bud. But Bravo, how do we trade this? Calm down, relax. I'll show you in a second. Just showing you how deep. And other things. What else do you guys want while you're at it? Ukraine plant must be seized from Russia. Go get him. Nuclear chief says. And it looks like Russian occupation seen posing a grave risk to the nuclear plant. Well, I would recommend that you probably, let's see if we have a map here. Yes, I'd say stay away from that one. That one didn't work. But I'll tell you what is working. That crude oil. Remember that $200 a barrel everyone was preaching? Come on, you guys. Yeah, crude's not going to be I mean, it already had a beating. Nat gas beating. I mean, it's up today, yes, but you should have seen yesterday. Also, if you're into that nuke stuff, apologies if I said nuclear wrong today in this. I don't know. Was that in there somewhere? Trade uranium. Just make sure you're above the 200. You trade it up. Below the 200, you trade it down. Even if people come on my channel and they say, hey, I will pay you to do a sponsored video. I'm like, okay, you guys need to know. Watch the charts. By the way, I closed my position today on Ford. I fixed it. I repaired it daily. I think I made about 20%, give or take. I don't know. Don't hold me to it. You guys are cruising on up to that 50, so I short it. I make money going down. I'll show you in just a second. You cross that, no. That's where you make money going up, but you're under the 200, so you're going to have a run up on Ford. So if you want to take advantage of that upward movement, or you can take advantage of my 70% off on how to do this, link in the description on a bear market or a swing trade. If you're new, start with the swing trade. Then you move over to the bear market. But we are so much in bear territory with everything. It's like, hurry up and finish your swing trading course. That's your homework. But you popped up. I was like, that's it. I'm done. Actually had this one on Bravo's daily watch list. Right there. I said, you smack your head on that line. Let's Papa put in a short. I'm trying to, I don't know. It didn't like me pulling. Stretching and pulling. Let's get down here. What was it? About 17%. Yeah, give or take. Maybe it was 16. I don't know. You see, you swing up, you swing down. Watch. See? Look. You make money going down. Oh, you make money going up. You make money going down. And then guess what? You make money going up. Also, you could look at this. Here. See? MACD. This is basically right. See those lines converge right there? That's where you put in a short. Okay. We're in a triangle. The triangles are well, we're below the 200, bearish, break low. All right. It's just constant. This is what I do all day long. And it's not a scam. I have nothing up my sleeve. You guys, even in the comments section, you guys are like, dude, this really works. Yeah, I know. It's not like these clowns that are retail. These guys start off retail and then they create hedge funds, or they're YouTubers, and then they create their own little ETF that goes like clearly down, and they don't know why, because they're focusing on fundamentals. It's never worked. And maybe at some point it did. Never in my life. That was a kick in the coin purse, like teaching college and high school. I'm like, okay, guys, so we're going to take the PE ratios, we're going to do all of this, and it never worked. And they were like, dude, you don't know what the hell you're talking about. I'm like, I think you're right. And you end up doing things like this. Look, Cathie Woods, which I think she stepped down, right? She's gone. She's like, that's it. That was a fun run. Everyone's good in a bull market. Give them a bear market. Let's see how well they perform with their fundamentals. Not so good hodling. And you could have 15 guys, just to let you know, and I'll go to it, the kiss of death on the S&P 500. I mean, this is where I'm not an expert. I'm pretty damn good at this stuff. But you could have 10 to 15 years of no good, bad returns, flat, ugly. Get everyone else out of the way. Cathie Woods ARK Funds plows another 19. Let me move this over so it's nice and pretty for you. 19 million into Tesla. After Elon Musk, EV maker, missed delivery targets. And that's what people do. Their portfolio starts going down. They're like, well, let's keep piling into it, because they just have this mentality of buy. It's like they don't sell. And then when they do sell, it's usually with capitulation. Also, on like this Ford one, let me give you an example. All right. My measurement on this one, my price target, where was it? It was like, it's way down there. Okay. But I don't care. I'm like, you know what? I'll take my 16, 20%. That's fine. I mean, right now I could actually right click buy. Okay. Come up, retest. It's probably going to hit its head right on that. Guys, it's so easy. And if it's anything like the last swing, see this? See the red line? Okay. Follow the red line. We're going to go up, and then I can't get over there. Here, pull it over. See right there? Okay. It got a beat down. It was Ford's going to zero. Okay, great. Double bottom, whatever. Support. You put in a buy right there. You ride it all the way until it's a full candle close below the red line. That's my Bravo 9. Up. Okay, you have a green one. You may want to hold out a little longer, close your position. And then guess what? Oh, down, right? Same thing. So when you say, oh, you were, negative on Ford, bet you lost a lot of money. No. Now you put in a buy. I'm not in love with any of these. Want to know what I'm in love with? When the account gets really big and you can kind of do whatever you want in life. And they say money doesn't bring you happiness. I agree with that. I mean, even though, out on the lake, people on jet skis, they're all smiling. I'm just saying, maybe, I could be wrong on that, but money solves problems. And I would say 98% of problems, these are just my numbers. I don't know. 95%, money can fix it. Same thing when it comes to politics. Politics, same thing. You want to fix something? Make a whole lot of money, become president of the United States. Right? Like the last guy, or the guy before that, or the guy before that. That's what you do. You make a whole lot of money, become president, start changing things. You know what you don't want to do is hold up a picket sign saying, please, no, grab some coconuts, get out there and make something of yourself. You have one life. That's it. Make money, fix problems. Also, FYI, I went over to Tesla, just so you know. There's going to be an opportunity. I exited, even though my price target was down here, sometimes I'm a simp, a wimpy boy, and I get out prior because I'm like, 25%, that's pretty good. I think I'll take it. You've had a severe beat down on Tesla. You wait for that little green guy, right? Okay, and then you can ride it up, but then play whack-a-mole and beat Elon again. Actually, let me see. What was my percentage from that to 186-ish? 26%. Come on. That's like taking candy from Elon. I'm just trying to get back at him for not giving me my Cybertruck that I'm, 5 years now? But it's okay, Elon. No hard feelings. You gave me a belt buckle, so that was okay. Oh, and last but not least, the S&P 500, SPX, SPY. If you want to trade it, SPY, right? Right there, SPY. It's up today, 1%. Congratulations. That's when the trolls were like, you said the market's gonna go down. It went up today, 1%. Okay, there you go. Thanks, Bob. So looking at what's going on, you got a pennant, you got a triangle, you have a bear flag, you got anything negative you want to throw here. See that the little yellow lines, right? And you can kind of measure it, right there, and then you pull it down here. If you guys break. Here, I'll draw it for you. This is the kiss of death. Let me clear. I don't want to see my swing trade line. Let me get rid of that one. That one be gone. Wait, hold on. Anything? I think Lux Algo, you guys are sitting in the middle. Yep, sitting in the middle. See if it's showing you anything. Yep, there's your just downward. You're in this channel coming down. If you guys break, and I don't want to go into the kiss of death, but it's really bad, and it's on the weekly, monthly. If you guys break right, let me draw this line here. If you guys break right there, see that little red line, which I think we're going to, you come down here, that would be confirmation. You break this area. Woo! That is where you want to see a bear market. And where do I think it's going to probably retest or land? See the blue line right about there. That would be about 3,000. And if you're like, wait, why do you just have this random blue line? Well, I can go back and show you. Actually, oh, hey, see that? Sorry, squirrel. That's when I launched. This is the day right there. I launched my swing trading course to help you make money all the way up. And then right in this area, I'm like, bear market. Now we make money all the way down. Let me go auto and let me pull it. Do you see the trend line that we're bouncing on? Now let me change it to the monthly. And then, well, that was a pull. Sorry, that was a bad one. Okay, it goes all the way back to 2008, 2009. 2009. This is the trend. The trend is your friend until the end. So I think we're going to probably come down and retest that. That white line, that's when the Fed tightening really affects what they've been doing. It takes a while. The shat has not hit the fan yet. So that is what that blue line is. Sorry, I put lines up and then you guys email me. What's the blue one? But I could be wrong. So not financial advice. I just, as it goes down, I short it. As it goes up, I buy it, right? It's just, or, bear markets, it sets up these little head and shoulder or just different patterns that play out. It's like, okay, I'll make money. And then you don't have to spend your time focusing on geopolitical events, which are, it's great, have knowledge, but okay, don't sit, if you're going to sit there at a computer with a screen, sit there and, help out your account. Because there will always be wars, there will always be fighting, there will always be, blood in the streets, you name it. It's just the cycle. Welcome to the fourth turning. And also, so on this channel, again, subscribe so I can help you. Stop being an employee, be an employer. That's what I teach on this channel. Become an employer, start businesses, trade equities. There you go. Salesforce gains on how is that a gains on plan? Okay. Your jobs are all gone. Plan to cut jobs, offices amid slowing sales. They grew to 30,000 during the boom. Well, now you have what's called a bust, 10%. So they're going to start just like everything. Yeah, out here in Austin, it's very tech heavy. And all the prices went up and people said, oh, everyone's tech's moving in here. The prices will continue to rise because it's tech. And I'm like, what if they lay everyone off? They're like, oh, I didn't think of that. So make sure that you have a plan for when they say goodbye, right? When we finally enter a recession or a depression. So take care of your finances, take care of your family, your health, everything. Stay free, and I will see you tomorrow.